Hi everyone, this is Ayush, Director of RSC Projects Private Limited. So basically we are into manufacturing of steel and we supply it to Pan India, majorly to all the refineries and power sectors of India, government projects. So, uh, so initially we were using multiple softwares for multiple purpose, for accounting, tally, for inventory, transact, for HRM we were using Razorpay and few other softwares as well, like for the workspace Notion, something like that. And the major issue which we faced with these softwares was the integration among them. We were looking for a solution where only one software can integrate all our solutions and the whole team and every task can be performed into one software or one ERP. Then we searched about SAP. We got to know about its capabilities. We talked to few vendors, got a reference for Fairfax. They made us understood everything about how it's work, how it would be helping us, what are the pain points which we have faced will be resolved in SAP. And it's been 3 months we have implemented it. There are few roadblocks. We are still learning it, but then yes, the major pain points and the problem for which we took this solution has been resolved. The transition between the old ERP and to SAP does take a little time, and the adaptation of the team, it takes time, but once it's done it helps with every other issues. About the Fairfax team, they have been very supportive, very encouraging. While the switch happens, your team do get demotivated because a lot of roadblocks comes, a lot of hiccups are there, but yes, when you have a strong support from the consultant, it do really gets through, and that is how Fairfax has been supportive to us. Thank you so much.